this one, we could look at this a couple of ways. We could think of the slope-intercept form, which is, grab a pen, y equals mx plus b. And then we could also make a table, so I'll kind of approach it both ways, x and y. So y equals mx plus b, so that would be y equals negative 3x plus 2. So in this case, we know our slope is negative 3 and our y-intercept is 2. That's what those two things mean. So we're going to start our line. Let me clear that one. We're going to start our line at 2. And then from there, the slope being negative 3, let me write that over here. So negative 3 over 1, if we want to think of that 1 down there. Remember, this is our rise and our run. So if we're starting at negative 2, we would run 1 and then rise negative 3. And that would be our point, our next point. If I wanted to do this with a table, I would just let x equal 0 and see what happened, and then let x equal 1 and then see what happened, because that's kind of the easiest numbers I can think of. So if x was 0, this piece drops out and y would equal 2. And if x was 1, I would have negative 3 times 1 plus 2. So that's negative 3 plus 2 would be negative 1. If you look, that's the exact same points. When x was 0, algebraically, I get y is 2. When x is 1, it comes out negative 1. So I can get there either just kind of using the directions kind of given in the equation that are start at 2, go over 1 and drop 3. So I can start at 2, go over 1 and drop 3, or plug some points and get those points that way. So there's a couple of ways to approach that. Hopefully it helps, and give me a holler if you still have questions.